Hey everyone, it's Miko 1996, and today we are here with the Hoover Power Scrub Elite Carpet Washer. We have hot water solution. It is in the deep clean setting and on wash. And we have pre-sprayed with the Clorox Pet Stain Pet Urine Remover. And we are going to go over with this and see how well it works at removing all of this urine. Make sure this is closed. You hear the brushes starting up. Move it forward. And put down the solution. You can see a difference already. White tag, turning back. Go over it again. That looks really good. Look at the difference in the color. So we have some stains right here. That's fantastic. This is the best reasonably priced carpet washer you can get. It does such a great job. I really love how it has the rotating brushes that scrub all sides of the carpet instead of just brushing it in one direction and only scrubbing it in one direction. You see there's a stain right there. Look at that. You got that stain up. With one tap. There's two passes. Are really set in stains. We don't know how long these have been here. Doing so good. dries it so fast. Look at that. That is insane. Let's go over this. Go right through all these things right here. That's a high traffic area. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? One pass. Look at that water. Gotta come all the way back here. Look at our line is clean. out on the bed. Soaking up as much of the moisture as we can. Really dark corner. About time to empty it. We're pretty full. The floaty hasn't stopped the airflow yet. Alright, so the carpet looks fantastic. You can see this Hoover has completely restored this carpet. And it will look even better after I rinse it, but I don't think I'm going to rinse it on camera because it's going to make it a ridiculously long video. But I will make a video showing you the results after rinsing the carpet. You can see we did the whole room except for underneath the bed. You know, that does take up quite a bit of the room, but still, we did this whole area and didn't even use all the water. So I can go ahead and use this after emptying this because this is still pretty full, because combined with the dirt it picked up and the water and the solution, it filled it up quicker than the water in here. You'll find that happens all the time, but it doesn't bother me at all. It shouldn't bother you either. It's not a problem or anything. It's just what happens with the mixture of the dirt and solution. So we are going to take this out and take it to our emptying place, and we will be right back. So it's darker than I thought it was, so I don't know if you'll be able to see exactly how dark this water is, but I'm going to try to make it so you can see. You can't really see, but that is some really dark water. That's bad. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.